How to delete all activities on Gemini. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete all activities on Gemini. So the very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your Gemini app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Then you need to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner and you'll find your Gemini apps activity. Tap on it and it will open up your Google Account Manager with your Gemini's activity here. Now you'll see all of your prompts, images, and all other stuff over here. And if you want to delete a specific activity or prompt, you can just click on this cross icon. But if you want to delete everything from your account, then in that case, you need to go ahead and tap on delete down below. Select all time on the date range, tap on all of the prompts, and then tap on delete. Once you have done that, tap on got it, and as you can see here, there is no activity left since everything has been deleted. That's basically it. Yeah, you have successfully deleted all your Gemini activities, including your chats, images, and prompts. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.